yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south.
This is Hard to Engine. Today we're gonna be upgrading my exhaust resonator. That's correct, my exhaust resonator. I got this from Amazon. That's the brand. Also the exhaust tips. So I'm gonna be welding it together. And if you guys want to do this upgrade too, you know, go for it. And hope it goes really well. Hi, this is Hard to Engine. Ahora vamos a estar mejorando el resonador de escape de mi Chevy Trailblazer. Este es el resonador. Esta es la marca. Este es el tip, la punta. Ahorita lo voy a soldar con flux core, self shield, y ojalá que todo salga bien. This is anti-splatter spray. Gonna spray it on where I don't want the sparks to go. All right, excited. So, microfibers.
Never heading south, I'll be stepping out, call it word of mouth, can't figure it out, I'll be getting loud, you can have it doubts, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. I slow burn like a scene, just tell me that I can and show you things that you couldn't believe, just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
So you made it to the end of the video. Is the modification worth it? Yes. Do you get any horsepower? Pretty much not. You probably stay the same. Probably gain 1 or lose 1, give or take. You really don't know until you dynote it. So now here's the important stuff that people don't really, think about. Your welds. Yes, your welds. So if you don't feel comfortable welding it, you can always tag it and take it to a muffler shop. You don't want the welds to break, then because of liability, it just works to avoid all that. So I did it with self-shield. It would have been a perfect application if I had MIG or TIG. One of those two would have been so perfect. But I didn't. I did it with self-shield. Came out okay for what it is. So if you liked the video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.